Hi everyone, so I'm back with a quick video. This is to show you my new Christmas digital kit that I've made. It took me ages to do this, but anyway, it's now complete. So sectioned it all off so that I know what I'm talking about when I'm telling you. Right, so you will get the full-size pages. I've printed a borderless. If you've got the option on your printer to not do that, no, with a border, sorry, I printed this with a border, but if you have the option on your printer to print borderless, you can do. So this is one page, and what I've done as well, I've also, as a bonus, with this kit, you will also get these pages in a traveler's notebook size. That is my favourite size to do a journal. So that's what I'll be working on next, after I finish the journal that I'm doing now. So that is there. So there is 6 pages of these, and then just putting them like that, and then there is 6 of them as a traveler's notebook size. That's my pussycat. So you get, it's the same, exactly the same, but in a TN size. So that is that. Okay, so that's 6, I think. 6, that's 12 sheets so far. Right, then you have got, excuse the cat, we've got some background papers that go nicely with the kit. Go on, get down. The other, she jumped on my head earlier. Yeah, so they kind of go well with the pages. So we've got 3 of them. It's got snowflakes, a little bit darker, and then we have this one. So there's 3 background pages. Now these would be great for, you can cut them up, you can make more pockets with them. There is pockets I'm going to show you. You can do pockets, you can make tags, you can cut it into pieces, you can use it for collaging. It's just, you know, whatever you want to. So then we have got a couple of pages here of pockets, and then we've got these. So you've got a lefty and a righty with a bigger pocket and a smaller pocket. So there's 4 pockets, there's 8 pockets so far. Then I've done some postcards. Then we've got some tags. So we've got some oval tags here. And then we've got these tags and these tags. And then here we have just got, this is from some of my own personal French paper, which I do have a kit for that somewhere in my coffee shop. And I've just put the kind of, the not mistletoe, is that mistletoe? I think it's mistletoe on there. So that is the kit. Taking me weeks and weeks to do that, in between obviously, you know, doing other things. To be honest, I wasn't sure whether I was going to have it finished in time for this Christmas. And I did say as well, there was pages that I'd done and then I didn't like them, so I got rid of them. And yeah, so there we go. I will have a direct link to that below, and you can go over and check it out. It's on my coffee shop, and check out my other digitals, check out my other freebies over on my coffee shop. And yeah, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.